Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are looking at something that challenges everything you thought you knew about three-wheel touring. If you've been following the trike market, you know the drill. Great stability, tons of storage, but often compromised when it comes to suspension and handling dynamics. Well, Harley-Davidson says no more. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the 2026 Harley-Davidson CVO Street Glide 3 Limited. Trust us when we say this is a whole different kind of machine. This isn't just a street glide with an extra wheel bolted on. This is a ground-up reimagining of what a performance luxury trike can be. At its heart beats the massive Milwaukee-Eight VVT 121 engine. It sits on a completely redesigned suspension system that finally ditches the solid axle. And it's wrapped in the kind of exclusive CVO paint and technology that justifies the price tag. So is this the ultimate touring machine? Let's dive deep into the specs, the tech, and the ride to find out. Let's start with the power. For 2026, the CVO Street Glide 3 Limited gets the most powerful factory-installed engine ever offered on a Harley trike. We are talking about the Milwaukee-Eight VVT 121. That VVT stands for Variable Valve Timing. Why does that matter? Because on a heavy touring machine, you need torque everywhere. This system advances or retards camshaft timing infinitely over a range of 40 degrees. The result is a broader power band. You get 114 horsepower and a massive 138 foot-pounds of torque. Whether you are passing a truck on the highway or climbing a steep mountain pass fully loaded, this engine doesn't just keep up, it dominates. But power isn't just about moving forward. One of the biggest changes for 2026 is the all-new electric reverse system. Harley has completely redesigned this. By removing the heavy motor from the rear axle and integrating it with the starter system, they've cut significant unsprung weight. It operates smoother, quieter, and gives you precise control when backing into tight parking spots. It's innovation you can feel before you even leave the driveway. Now, this is the part seasoned trike riders have been waiting for. The suspension. For years, the complaint about trikes has been the ride quality over bumps due to the solid rear axle. For 2026, Harley-Davidson has listened. The CVO Street Glide 3 Limited debuts a completely redesigned rear suspension. They have moved to a new Dédian-style setup. This replaces the old live axle, and the benefits are massive. First, it cuts 68 pounds of unsprung weight. Second, it more than doubles the wheel travel, from a stiff 2.3 inches to a plush 5 inches. It uses dual emulsion shocks, a Watts linkage, and a sway bar to keep the chassis planted flat through corners while soaking up the potholes. And for those of you who tour with different loads, there is now a preload adjustment knob located right below the left passenger footboard. No tools required. Just twist it to dial in your ride. This new suspension transforms the experience from managing a trike to truly carving the road. Of course, this is a CVO custom vehicle operations. That means luxury is standard. You're getting the Carbide Collection accessories throughout, premium controls, heated grips, and floorboards that look and feel expensive. The seating is next level. You have heated rider and passenger seats with individual controls. The passenger also gets a heated backrest. It's designed to keep you in the saddle for hundreds of miles a day. Storage? It's immense. You have a new trunk and the completely redesigned Grand Tour Pack. It features power locking, integrated LED lighting, and premium liners. You can pack for a week-long cross-country trip without leaving anything behind. And guiding you on that trip is the tech. The cockpit is dominated by the 12.3-inch TFT color touchscreen running Skyline OS. It replaces all the old analog gauges. It has built-in navigation, Wi-Fi connectivity for weather and traffic updates, and full Apple CarPlay integration. And let's not forget the tunes. You get the Harley-Davidson audio, powered by Rockford Fosgate's Stage 2 system. That's a 4-channel setup with an amplifier and 6 speakers. It cuts through the wind noise effortlessly. With great power comes the need for control. And Harley has packed this trike with their full suite of rider safety enhancements. This isn't just basic ABS. It's cornering enhanced ABS and cornering electronic linked braking. The system takes into account the lateral acceleration of the trike to adjust brake pressure, keeping you on your intended path. You also get cornering traction control and the drag torque slip control system, which prevents the rear wheels from locking up if you downshift too aggressively on wet pavement. You can toggle through different ride modes: road, sport, rain, and custom, right from the hand controls. Road mode gives you balanced performance. Sport mode sharpens the throttle response for maximum fun. Rain mode dials it back for safety when the weather turns. It's all about confidence. The bike is constantly monitoring traction, so you can focus on the view. Finally, we have to talk about the style. This is a CVO after all. The 2026 models feature exclusive paint schemes like Inferno Gray and Electric Coast. Harley-Davidson's paint quality is unrivaled in the industry. The depth of the flake, the precision of the hand-laid pinstripes, and the ghosted details are stunning. The Batwing fairing has been redesigned with fully integrated LED lighting, including turn signals and fog lights, giving it a modern, aggressive face. So what does this pinnacle of three-wheel touring cost? The 2026 CVO Street Glide 3 Limited starts at an MSRP of $54,999. It is a serious investment. But for that price, you are getting the most powerful, most comfortable, and technologically advanced trike Harley-Davidson has ever built. If you've been waiting for a trike that rides like a luxury car but roars like a beast, the wait is over.